It is important to transport concrete from the place of mixing to the forms quickly in such a way that the homogeneity obtained at the time of mixing is maintained. Come, let's see various methods of transporting concrete. After mixing, the concrete should be transported as rapidly as possible from place of mixing to the formwork where it is to be deposited without any segregation or loss of ingredients. Different methods of transportation are practiced at different places. Transportation using mortar pans is practiced for applications where the quantity of concrete is small and distance to be transported is less. The concrete is manually carried in pans. Wheelbarrows with pneumatic tires are used for moderate distances. Care should be taken to see that the path of wheelbarrow is even so that the concrete should not segregate. A hoist with bucket is used to transport concrete if the height is considerable. The hoist lifts the bucket containing concrete, which is emptied by tilting at the level where concreting is going on. This is ideal for medium-scale jobs. If ready-mix concrete is used, the concrete is pumped using concrete pumps and pipes or boom placers. Various modes of transporting concrete from the place of mixing to point of placing are adopted. Manual, using pans in smaller jobs. Using wheelbarrows for transporting to moderate distances. Hoist and bucket for transporting to medium heights. Care should be taken to see that concrete does not segregate during transportation.